Hello everyone, alito tayo ngayon sa Tagaytay City to film a 1.8 hectares property. So this is a titled property na, and dito sa side na to, anyway, this property with a total lot area of 1.8 hectares, mayroon siyang like a bahay with a 50 meters frontage. Then tingnan natin yung pinaka-tip, no, doon sa itaas. Kasi napakaganda ng kanyang location. Alright, ang mga katabi natin, mga resort. So this is a titled property, no? With a 50 meters frontage, selling in the market for 8,000 pesos per square meters. Nandito tayo sa Tagaytay City. Now, tingnan natin sa itaas. Right. So ang ganda ng lot. Malinis at alaga, di ba? Okay, so aakyatin natin doon sa taas na yon. Kasi doon, sa side na yon, may view. Right. Anyway guys, if you haven't subscribed our channel, I invite you all to hit that subscribe button. Click that bell button. Hanga ka, oy. To get you notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. Okay, dito sa side na to, maraming mga pine trees. Ito yung pinaka-viewing area. Wow! Ang ganda!
Oh no, I called you plenty, how you wanna run? Shit, it's gotta wanna have you had enough. You want me to find it tonight? I wanna find it tonight. I'm changing you back, back. All night, you gotta know how to find you. I'll follow the tone, all the lights that surround you. Wherever you go, girl, I know where to find you. Do you think I'm crazy for choosing love? Baby, I wanna be with you for the long. I think I wanna make it go on and on. Baby, I think I'm craving your vibe, your vibe.
Okay. So, ang lot natin hanggang dito sa may malinis na area. So, this is a 1.8 hectares. Look. Dito sa side dito, you have the view of the palace in the sky, the city skyline. And then the other side, may view ka ng Manila Dibay. And then dito sa side na to, may view ka naman ng farm.
All night, you gotta know how to find you. I'll follow the tone, all the lights that surround you. Wherever you go, girl, I know where to find you. Do you think I'm crazy for choosing love? Baby, I wanna be with you for the long. I think I wanna make it go on and on. Baby, I think I'm craving your vibe, your vibe. Oh no, I called you plenty, how you wanna run? Shit, I gotta want and have you had enough? You want me to forget tonight? I'm gonna find it tonight. I'm changing you back, back.
Oh, send mo sa akin. If you are interested or anyone interested, no, to check out this 1.8 hectares dito sa Tagaytay City, no, kung mayroon kayong mga kamag-anak, kakilala, kaibigan, gustong mag-venture or mag-invest ng lot dito sa Tagaytay City. Well, dito nagpa-fog, Okay, nasa highest elevation tayo. This is like 600 meters above sea level. Ang ganda na magiging potential dito, lalo na sa mga wedding or any event, or like a family bonding or a rest house. Pwedeng maglagay dito ng helipad, ha? Dahil sa laki at lawak ng lot. Imagine, 1.8 hectares. Alright, if you are interested or anyone interested to check out this one, message us today. Maganda rin itong i-subdivide. No, yung like a simple subdivision. Tapos i-benta natin sa market. Yung like i-invest mo, then isa-subdivide mo, then i-market natin sa market. Pero mas magandang bilhin yung the whole 18,000 square meters. Thank you so much and God bless everyone.
Saturday